Let's go over our rhythms. Remember, when there's no flag, it's ta. And when there is a flag, then it's ti. So this rhythm card goes ta, ta, ti, ta. Again, ta, ta, ti, ta. Good. Now, the next one starts with ti. It's got flags and it's ti, ta, ti, ta. But what happens if we turn it the other way? Now we start with ta and it's ta, ti, ta, ti. Okay. Next card, that's what we just did. Ta, ti, ta, ti. Remember, it's correct if the stems are going up, and it's also correct if the stems are going down. Both are correct. So we just did those. And what was this one? What's the difference? The difference is this isn't filled in. There's a big hole there. So this one is holding for longer. Hold it longer. So this one's ta, ta. You have to hold it for the length of two tas. Ta, ta. Looks just like the letter D, or it looks just like the letter P. Still, ta, ta. Well, what happens if we do this and there's no stick at all? Now, it just looks like a donut. We hold it for four tas. Ta, you got to keep holding it. So we go ta. So at the end of those big Disney songs, the notes look like this. You hold it for a long time. So on this one, we've got our ta, but what is that squiggle thing? What is that one? That's a way for music to tell us to be silent, to stop making noise. So this one would be ta, sh, ti. Try that one again. Ta, sh, ti. And now the other way would be ti, sh, ta. One more time. Ti, sh, ta. What about this one? So we're going to start with ti. Ti, ta, sh, ta. One more time. Ti, ta, sh, ta. Remember, TTs are twice as fast as ta. So let's try it this way. Upside down, right side up. Here we go on ta, sh, ta, ti. One more time. Ta, sh, ta, ti. Okay, it's getting harder. Here we go. Ti, sh, ta, ti. Here we go. Ti, sh, ta, ti. Okay, let's flip that one upside down. Ti, ta, sh, ti. One more time. Ti, ta, sh, ti. Okay, now we've got four TTs in a row. So we've got flags all the way across. Here we go. And T, sh, ta. One more time. T, sh, ta. And what about this way? Ready? And ta, sh, ti. One more time. Ta, sh, ti. Okay, last one. And ta, ti, ta. One more time. Ta, ti, ta. You can see it's exactly the same rhythm if we go this way. Ta, ti, ta. But how do we know what note to sing? Okay, this is not singing Mary Had a Little Lamb. How do we know what note to sing? What we have to do is arrange the notes on a staff. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. And in those 5 lines, here's our do, re, mi scale that we're used to doing. So we're going to start here on do, and we're going to read the notes, and you can see the notes are going up to high do. Do, do, here we go. Do, re, mi, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, now we're going to read it backwards. We're going to go from the high note down to the low note. And do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So I've written the sounds underneath, do, re, mi, but also when you're learning to play the recorder or the trombone or the violin, you're actually going to have to know what the name of that note is. And the name of that note is C, D, E, F, G. Now, if we were doing the alphabet, the next one would be H. But in music, we just start back over at A. A, B, C. So we're going to sing the notes this time. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So you'll notice they're all tas, so they all have the same length. So now we're combining the rhythm with the notes. Here we go, starting on do, starting on note C, big breath. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Can you read it backwards? Starting here, high C, and we're going down to low C. So follow the notes from the high note, down the steps to the low note. C, B, A, G, F, E, D,